Today, let us look into how to predict trending content on YouTube based on historical data. So, firstly, introducing to the data set we've considered, you can see we have a data set from Kaggle, where we have almost 37,353 entries. And the data set has video ID, trending date, title, channel title, category ID, publish time, tags, views, likes, comments, thumbnails, and it also considers the facts if comments are disabled or ratings are disabled, if there is any video error, and most importantly, the description of the video, right? So jumping into what we have built using this trending data, firstly, what you have to do is download uh, these things from the video description and put it on your desktop or your downloads folder. So go to your command prompt. If all these files are on the desktop, choose directly desktop. If it's on downloads, choose directly downloads. For me, it's on the desktop, so I'll choose desktop. Yeah, so now I'm on the desktop. The first thing I'll do is I'll run the requirement.py file, the code for which is Python requirement.py. So the requirements are pretty long, so it might take some time if these libraries are not installed in the system. In mine, most of them are already installed since I've run it a couple of times. So it's happening fast. In your case, if it is taking a lot of time, please wait. So the data set I previously showed you was for India, and we have data sets like that for various countries in Kaggle. You have that for India, Russia, France, UK, Germany, and Japan, things like that. So you can plug in any of those data sets in the UI we're going to show you now. So the requirements are installed. Now let me quickly install Viola. Again, Boiler is already installed in my system, so it might happen quickly. It might take some time for you. So now let me run my main file to come to the UI. Python minus one Boiler winding to .ipynp. So this is a Jupyter notebook file, hence its extension will be ipynp. The requirements, however, was a py file because we're directly running it on the command prompt. Since we are running this using a UI built on py35, we can use the notebook file itself. Yeah, so it will redirect you to a local host. Depending on the system specs and internet connection again, you'll get your UI in some time. So the UI pop-up asks you to upload a CSV and JSON. So here I'll upload US videos CSV and I'll upload the JSON of US videos. In the code, we merge both these data sources. So that shouldn't be a problem. And then I have to click on generate output. And then once I'm able to close the UI, I should close the UI and your output will come on the screen. So I'll quickly explain what this output really means. So the first one is correlation of views with other variables. So views is the is with is compared to which the correlation is happening. So views with respect to views will obviously have the correlation one. So what this actually signifies is what are views dependent on, and amongst the things views are dependent on, what is it most dependent on? So views are not dependent on anything which has negative correlation, like title words or title characters and likes per view, etc. But views are dependent on total likes and dislikes, likes, comment count, dislikes, etc. Here, since we have considered old YouTube data, we have dislikes as a column, but as we know today, you can't dislike a video. So, I mean, again, based on your data set, you can change it however you want. So, the first tangible output we get is plots of views by category. So, how is the engagement in terms of views based on each category? So, you can see you have categories all the way from people and blogs to science and tech to auto and vehicles to shows. So, you can see in views and categories, entertainment has the highest amount of views. So in engagement in terms of views, entertainment is the best category to be in. And music, comedy, people and blogs come somewhere around. Uh, Next, in terms of engagement based on comments. So when it comes to engagement based on comments, you can see that again, entertainment is on the top. You also have people and blogs which come higher than entertainment. Probably in terms of more likely, people are more likely to watch entertainment stuff, so the views are higher. When it comes to comment, people are more likely to engage in terms of comments when it comes to people and blogs because they might be stories or something relatable or some story they find interesting. They're more likely to express it in the comment section. So the engagement in terms of comments are better than people and blogs. Next, coming to total likes and dislikes versus category. So again, engagement based on both positive and negative engagement. So the net total engagement is again very high in categories like education, people and blogs, entertainment, comedy. So if you're a content creator looking out to make some content, the first thing you will look in our model is what is if you want to increase your reviews, what you have to work on, and what you have to work on is purely based on whatever has positive correlation here. Next, choosing your category. Given that you're a new content creator, you want to choose a category. You would like to start off with something which has high engagement in terms of views, total engagement, and comments. So, given a new content creator, you would choose something between these three. Again, same. You would again choose something which has good comment engagement, and then total engagement. So, given that you have zeroed down on what category you want to start in, next you can get insights on what has been trending historically. So this is useful for for both a new content creator and an existing content creator. For a new content creator, after you've decided a category, you can look out for words in the word cloud which match your category. For an existing content creator, again, you can look in general what is trending. So what exactly this word cloud depicts is that you have trending video titles, video descriptions, channel titles, and video tags. So video titles is basically whatever title you attach to your video. Video description is the paragraph of description you have for each and every video. Channel title, however, is the name of the channel. So if you're a new content creator, you want to look out into channel titles, whatever works and runs. Video tags, however, is the hashtags below the title, and those actually help in increasing reach of a video. So you should also look out for video tags. Video tags are very important, as important as video titles. So in the dataset we've used here, we've taken YouTube data from the United States. So the word cloud for video titles, what titles are trending is Return, Black, Denver, Lewis, Kick, and things like that. So in this word cloud, what the size of the text display indicates the amount of times it is like it indicates the magnitude of its trend. So bigger the representation of the word cloud, better the metric. So in this case, it trends more. So if you have something like Lewis on your title, it's likely to trend. Same with video description. A lot of videos with animal, the words animal, black, England, justice, patriots has trended historically. When it comes to channel titles, if you have news, NFL, people, things like that, you can't use the exact same channel title. Something around that or something including that, your channel title is likely to trend. Again, word cloud for video tags. Here, video tags like news, awesome, Sean, BuzzFeed, people, East, Iran, these have historically trended when it comes to video tags. So this is how we have built a project to use data based on history to determine what category is running based on engagement, likes, what titles, descriptions, and tags can get your video trending. However, there's an extension to this. If you're already an established YouTube creator, what you can do is you can replace this data with your own data set. You can copy paste the description from your video. You can put the title, your channel title, when you published it, what are the number of views, what are the number of comments, what are the number of likes. And then you can build this data set for your own YouTube channel and run the model. That will help you understand the engagement on your own YouTube channel. So this is not just limited to historical data. We had access to historical data. That's why we were constrained to using this. You can put in the details of your own YouTube channel and come up with an analysis which will give you brilliant insights on your own YouTube channel, which you would have definitely overlooked previously. Thank you.